In the 80s, we were fat-free. Then we were sugar-free. Today, we're gluten-free, dairy-free, grain-free, preservative-free, pesticide-free, and thanks to intuitive eating, we are now restriction-free. But let's face it, none of us are really free. I'm Wendy Frazier, gut specialist and essential oil expert, and I'm here to help free you, ironically, by shortening your learning curve in this maddening world of nutrition and gut health. Why? So that you can get a better gut, feel great, have fun doing it, and get back into your favorite jeans, which probably fit this morning. And in exchange for your full attention to the end of this video, I am gifting you my cherished guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. For today's video, I'm sharing 4 secrets that your doctor probably doesn't know about gut bacteria and how it is affecting your weight loss. And while you may not like the information, at least our relationship will finally be honest. So hit that subscribe button and follow me to the ends of the earth. Number 1, oxidative stress is something that happens when there are too many free radicals or troublemakers inside of our body. These free radicals are kind of like your Uncle Charlie who comes to Thanksgiving dinner full of tales from the past year of living life on his own terms, all while in the presence of some very young years. Free radicals are loose cannons. They're unstable molecules that can cause a lot of damage to our cells. Normally, our body does have a way to get rid of them by using antioxidants or proper parenting in the case of Uncle Charlie. But when there are too many free radicals and not enough antioxidants, the cells sustain damage and grow old before their time, much like your kids at the dinner table listening to Charlie's wild stories. This cell damage is called oxidative stress. So what does this have to do with the gut, Wendy? Well, I'm glad you asked. When we have inflammation in the gut, there's a chain of events that get set off that actually turn off a certain enzyme that you need to burn fat. That's right, you heard me. When there is inflammation in the gut, there is a specific enzyme that gets turned off that is actually necessary for you to burn fat. Number 2 is the lack of dopamine in your body is making you gain weight or hold on to the weight that you keep trying to get rid of. This is in direct response to the lack of excitement in your life, which is not found at the bottom of the ice cream bucket, the chip bag, or the candy jar. And I know because I already checked. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is responsible for the pleasure that you feel in life. It helps us to feel happy. It makes us want things that feel good or taste delicious. It helps us to handle stress and manage our emotions. And while balancing gut bacteria doesn't sound like a wild Friday night, neither is you pulled up to the fridge with a spoon in the ice cream container. Be sure to check out my video, Gut Bacteria and Mental Health, for some proven strategies to build a better gut. Number 3, you can in fact speed up your metabolism and in turn increase your chances of love and companionship by adding polyphenols to your diet. What are polyphenols, Wendy? They're antioxidants, a muzzle for Uncle Charlie. The good guys, the molecules that come in and save the day, the anti-aging cream for your cells, and they are found in fruits and vegetables. The more colorful, the better, and they feed the exact type of good bacteria that it turns out revs up your metabolism. Absolutely amazing the way the body works. And number 4, your cells need energy and a lot of it to burn fat. It is a big job that requires big energy. And the energy source in our cells, who are the OG, the top dogs, the ones who actually make it all happen, are the mitochondria. If your mitochondria aren't working, you will never be able to actually burn fat. You will be what's called weight loss resistant. So how do you support the mitochondria, Wendy? Well, you pay them a good salary. You make it worth their while. Do it and they will reward you with the production of an enzyme called CoQ10. You may have heard of that, which is essential for the metabolization of fat in the body. So there you have it, 4 secrets that your doctor probably doesn't know about gut bacteria and its effect on your weight loss. 1, oxidative stress turns off key enzymes necessary for fat loss. Number 2, low dopamine makes you eat more as you search for pleasure and ultimate happiness. Number 3, you can speed up your metabolism by eating more polyphenols. And number 4, your cells need energy or they cannot burn fat. Now, because you're still here, I assume you're dying to get your hands on my free report, which is the best supplements for gut health and bloating, where you will learn the only probiotic on the market that includes the right strains to help you turn around your life and your gut at the same time by making fat loss more likely. In the meantime, if you ever want some free entertainment, subpar videos, and a lot of potty talk whilst you attempt to get a better gut, hit that subscribe button and follow me. You can also find me on Instagram at Wendy Loves Oils, where I share essential oil tips and tutorials. Now go down into the comments and download my free report, Your Gut Called, and she's ready for it.